Limited. Defunct. Ultra Rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have an NPB League hat. That is the official League of Japan Baseball, Professional Japan Baseball, Nippon Professional Baseball. And that is it's a competitive league. A lot of good baseball is played there. Fundamental baseball, and you've had some pretty good players come out of the NPB. They are tradition, equivalent of the MLB per se when it comes to tradition. Now, let's take a look at what we have in today. The Yokohama DeNa Baystars. Yokohama DeNa Baystars. I hope I got the pronounced the DeNa part, D-N-A. It's some of this is a little tricky if you're going out of the United States or the English language. So Yokohama though. Yokohama Baystars have been around for a long time, 73 years. Japanese teams, they go to different cities throughout their entire tenure as an organization franchise. So they move around, especially in the early ages, but like probably since the 90s, a lot of teams have stayed within the same city, same location, same ballpark per se. So this is the Baystars. This is a world champ type collaboration where their championships, divisions, their accomplishments are featured on the cap. The NPB and New Era and a few other leagues have this type of collaboration type thing going on. So let's take a look at what we have in a little bit more detail. Let's take a look. Two-time champ. They won the Japan Series 2 times, and that's where you get the two-time champs. That's part of the world champ type of theme going on with this cap. There we go. Let's get a bit of a closer look here. There it is, 1960 and 1998. This franchise has been around for a long time, but winning has not been one of their traditions per se, which is unfortunate. They don't spend as much money as a lot of the other teams, but compete hard, and you got to give them that. A lot like the Hanshin Tigers. So let's continue on. Working with a 7.5 and the meat of the inside of the hat. I'm assuming this is a polyester. There is no material tag on this hat. So what do you think of this bad boy? I can say this is not the official colors of the DeNa Baystars or the Yokohama Baystars. It is blue though. They do represent blue and white, but this is like an all blue type. It's just not the official colors per se of what they wear on their cap. But there's blue. I just have to put that out there. We're working on a 7.5, by the way, from New Era. So what do you think? You like this? NPB caps are pretty they're pretty interesting. It's definitely, foreign imports are fun to look at and fun to just have in hand. Because there's different designs a lot of the time. So if you like this type of content, please subscribe. More foreign import NPB caps on the way. This is the channel you want to see for that. Thank you for watching, and you have yourself a very nice day.